Which city is the capital of Iran, a nation steeped in ancient Persian history and culture? Baghdad, Beirut, Isfahan, Tehran. The correct answer is Tehran. In which Lewis Carroll novel does a curious girl fall down a rabbit hole into a magical world? Alice's Adventures in Wonderland, The Looking-Glass Wars, Through the Mirror Maze, The Curious Case of Alice. The correct answer is Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. Which book by Barbara Streisand explores her love for design and artistic expression? My Passion for Design, Stories I Only Tell My Friends, Wildflower. So Far, So Good. The correct answer is My Passion for Design. Which car is widely regarded as the flagship model of Chevrolet? Camaro, Impala, Malibu, Corvette. The correct answer is Corvette. Which Formula One circuit is famous for hosting a night race in Singapore? Marina Bay Street Circuit, Interlagos, Silverstone, Suzuka Circuit. The correct answer is Marina Bay Street Circuit. Which laboratory method is used to amplify tiny amounts of DNA for study? PCR, polymerase chain reaction, gel electrophoresis, Western blotting, DNA sequencing. The correct answer is PCR, a polymerase chain reaction. The Hagia Sophia is a blend of which two architectural styles? Byzantine and Roman, Ottoman and Persian, Gothic and Baroque, Greek and Egyptian. The correct answer is Byzantine and Roman. On the Mohs scale of mineral hardness, how hard is an emerald? 4, 7, 9, 10. The correct answer is 7. Which famous climbing route on the Ega's north face includes the icy section known as the White Spider? Heckmare Route, Metallurgy Ridge, Lapa Route, South Ridge Route. The correct answer is Heckmare Route. Which Pulitzer Prize category was officially added in 1984? Drama, history, poetry, music. The correct answer is music. The Red Devils is the famous nickname for which English football club? Manchester United, Arsenal, Liverpool, Chelsea. The correct answer is Manchester United. The martial art of Nuba fighting originated in which country? Sudan, Liberia, Libya, Lesotho. The correct answer is Sudan. What is a group of hairs called? A down, a crash, a litter, a shiver. The correct answer is a down. Who developed the Braille system for the visually impaired? Louis Braille, Alexander Graham Bell, Thomas Edison, Samuel Morse. The correct answer is Louis Braille. Who was the primary author of the United States Declaration of Independence? George Washington, John Adams, Thomas Jefferson, Benjamin Franklin. The correct answer is Thomas Jefferson. What is considered the basic unit of life in biology? Atom, cell, organ, molecule. The correct answer is cell. Which artist painted The Starry Night? Pablo Picasso, Vincent van Gogh, Claude Monet, Leonardo da Vinci. The correct answer is Vincent van Gogh. Who was the god of fire and craftsmanship in ancient Greek? Apollo, Hephaestus, Mars, Hermes. The correct answer is Hephaestus. Who composed the famous classical piece for Elise? Mozart, Bach, Chopin, Beethoven. The correct answer is Beethoven. Which of the following is not a sea in the Pacific Ocean? Coral Sea, Bering Sea, Red Sea, South China Sea. The correct answer is Red Sea. What is the capital city of Ireland, the land of leprechauns and lush landscapes? Dublin, Galway, Belfast, Cork. The correct answer is Dublin. Which of these is the nickname for the U.S. state Connecticut? Nutmeg State, Sunflower State, First State, Equality State. The correct answer is Nutmeg State. Who wrote the classic English collection of stories The Canterbury Tales? Geoffrey Chaucer, William Shakespeare, Thomas Malory, Daniel Defoe. The correct answer is Geoffrey Chaucer. Which Greek hero had an Oceanid as his mother? Achilles, Perseus, Theseus, Hercules. The correct answer is Achilles. Which famous sculpture did Leonardo da Vinci create? David, Pietà, Moses, none of the above. The correct answer is none of the above. What is the name of the sacred text in Manichaeism, a once widespread ancient religion? Bible, Quran, Avesta, Shuburagan. The correct answer is Shuburagan. Who became the first woman to win the Academy Award for Best Director in 2010? Greta Gerwig, Sofia Coppola, Catherine Bigelow, Ava DuVernay. The correct answer is Catherine Bigelow. Which fish is commonly found in the Atlantic Ocean? Salmon, tuna, cod, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Which circuit is nicknamed the home of British motorsport? Circuit de Monaco, Silverstone Circuit, Circuit of the Americas, Monza Circuit. The correct answer is Silverstone Circuit. What is the shape of the DNA molecule? Double helix, single strand, triple helix, square. The correct answer is double helix.